Welcome to Adobe Illustrator Class-14. Today we're exploring one of the most precise tools in Illustrator, the Transform panel. This panel lets you control everything with exact accuracy: your object's position, its width and height, the rotation angle, scale, and even shear.
You can set the X and Y positions to control where the object sits on the canvas. Click on the X value and use the up and down arrow keys to move the object left or right. Do the same with the Y value to move the object up or down.
You can change the width and height in exact pixels or inches. Just like before, you can also use the arrow keys to increase or decrease the width and height.
You can set the rotation angle to any value you want, like 45 degrees or 90 degrees, and rotate the object to any size or direction. This is the Shear option. It lets you tilt the object into any shape or angle you need.